So guys, I want to show you how to make these super crispy wings using my brand new smoker. So we'll start with the wings. We're just going to separate the flats from the drums, and we're going to cut those little tips off also. Save those tips, throw them in the freezer, use them for stock, or put them in a stir fry. When your wings are all prepped, throw them in a bowl. Time to season. I got a little olive oil binder. I'm using salt, pepper, garlic, and I got a nice spice rub that goes next. Now the secret, it's cornstarch. Mix that in really well. That's gonna really help them get nice and crispy. Let's set up the smoker. I put my grill down. Time to fill up the hopper with my pellets. And we're gonna load this thing up. There's so much room on that grill. Check this out. I get all those wings down, turn it on, set my heat. Man, it's so easy to use. I love this thing. Let's make some sauce. I'm using Frank's Red Hot. I got a little butter I'm gonna add in there. Szechuan peppercorn. I like to add a little splash of lemon juice, some honey, and this next ingredient, trust me, just about a tablespoon of some nice whole grain mustard. We're gonna finish that with a little splash of cherry balsamic. That's it, warm it up, you're good to go. Let's check the wings. Oh man, super smoky, super crunchy. We're ready. Throw them in a bowl. We're gonna hit them with that sauce, and it's time to toss. Yeah, just throw those down on a dish. Get your favorite condiments. You want ranch, you want blue cheese, whatever. You could eat them just like this. I mean, look at that. Just get in there and enjoy. Man, what a treat. Cheers, everyone.